How to fill out and sign a PDF form or document on Windows 10 or 11. You can use the pre-installed Microsoft Edge browser to fill in and sign PDF forms and documents. Open the PDF file in Microsoft Edge. To open the PDF file in Microsoft Edge, right-click the PDF file, go to Open With, and then select Microsoft Edge. To fill out the form or document, click on a text field or line and type in your information. If the text field or line doesn't work, click the text button in the top menu and then click on the text field or line. To sign the form or document, click the ballpoint pen icon or draw in the top menu. Draw your signature in the signature field by left-clicking, holding, and drawing. If you're not happy with your signature, click the eraser icon in the top menu, then click on the signature to erase it. You might need to click and swipe a little bit. To save the PDF, click the Save As button in the top menu. You can edit the name in the File Name field. Select a location on your PC where you want to save the PDF file. Click Save